Hello students, welcome to Scratch Practicals. Students, you can start Scratch. This is the Scratch screen. If you want, you can start from here also. When you click on start button, you can see Scratch desktop over here also, or you can type it here, Scratch, in the search box. This is Scratch desktop. Or you can also click on all programs, and then here you can see Scratch desktop is here. Okay, click on Scratch and then you will be able to see this screen. After that, students, here today we will draw 3 circles, and the first circle will be largest and the last circle will be the smallest circle. You bring sprite over here so that you can see the effect. Here, click on events category, take head type block, then after that go to pen block, erase all. If it is all drawn anything on the stage, then pen down to draw something. Then you have to write the circle code. For circle you have to take the control. In that repeat you have to take 360 times. Then after that motion block. Okay, to move some steps, how many steps? 1 step. And turn how much degree? You have to drag it inside the loop. Okay, so drag it right 1 degree. Then after that, students, see, once the circle is drawn, you have to use pen up. Okay, otherwise if it is moving, the sprite is moving away from the circle, then it should not draw anything. Okay, it should simply move few steps ahead. Got it? So you have to use pen up. Then you have to move the sprite to some steps away from the circle. Okay, so you write 100 over here. 100 means it is pixel, actually 1 dot on the screen. When you go close to the screen, okay, to the LCD, LED, or near your laptop screen, then you will be able to see small square. Then after that, see, pen up, move 100 steps. That means 1 circle has drawn and the sprite has gone 100 steps ahead. Then after that, you have to again use pen down. So click on pen block, choose pen down. Then again you want a circle code. So click over here to duplicate. Duplicate 3 blocks. Okay, so duplicate. You have to write over here. See, the code is repeating, so we can copy it. Bring sprite again here. Here you write 90 degree to make the sprite straight. Okay, this will be cleared because erase all we have already used. So students, this was the first circle. Move here, you have to reduce the steps because this time you have to make a small circle. So make 0.7 here. Turn 1 degree will be there for the circle. Then again pen up. Okay, that means 2 circles are drawn. And now the sprite is going ahead. And then after that, pen down again. You can copy the code, duplicate, put here. Okay, here you write 0.35. Okay, and you have to remove this pen down, the last one. When we click on this, the script starts running. Okay, this is the script of the program. You can see this is a long program. Now students, click on green flag to start. First of all, we will maximize. Click on green flag to start. So students, you can see the sprite has drawn 3 circles. The first circle is the largest one, the last one is the smallest. So students, you can try out practicals at home. And And students, there are many more practicals given over here in the tutorials. You can see this tutorial icon. Okay, if you want to clear the screen, you can click on file and you can click on new, and the content of the current project will be replaced. You can click on OK button. These are tutorials. You can see tutorials. Okay, so there are many things over here which you can work on. You can see here, you can draw this one. This is a game. Make a chase game, make a clicker game, make it fly. This is Pong game. Okay, so you can try out, you can make your own game and story using taking ideas from here. So students, this only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.